Here's a vintage Superelectric Box Fan. It's got a nice blue color to it. The blades are blue as well. It is a model 2072. Has a 2.8 amp motor, and the motor itself is made by Superelectric, so they use their own motor in this. And the model number on the motor is 2000. So let me turn it around and show you the motor. And here is the motor. It's kind of unique looking. There you can sort of see the information right there. A little hard to see, but there it is. And I'll turn it around and start it up. This is a 2-speed fan, by the way, so I'll start off with high. We'll do some startup sounds. This motor has a pretty good spin down time, which is nice. Here's high. And finally, low speed. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching.